Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, here I'm going to show you Angular 18 Plus NFT marketplace template, fully responsive and fully professional working demo. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So guys, here we go. You see the beautiful NFT Angular 18 Plus marketplace template. See, here's a quick look. Just brilliant. See friends. Scroll to top. Just brilliant. And here are the multiple home pages. Home 2. See friends. Just brilliant. Home 3. Great. Home 4. And home page number 5. See guys. NFT marketplace template Angular 18 Plus. And explore. See guys. Explore 2. See the single page. See friends. Just beautiful. Activity page. See guys. Here is activity page. The beautiful wallet page. See, and other pages as well, like about us, about us page, creators page, collections. Just beautiful. Blog, blog page. See guys. Special coming soon pages. Coming soon. Maintenance in 404. Let me open other window as well, tab as well. See, maintenance and error page. Now I will show you those pages: login, sign up, forgot password, and lock screen. See, login page, sign up page, reset password page, and forgot password. The contact us page, see guys, the contact us page as well. So have you seen just beautiful NFT marketplace template in Angular 18 Plus? So friends, also it's fully responsive. Let me show you. See guys, fully responsive as well. Toggle navbar, just beautiful. Guys also will work for all the devices like always. Pixel 7, iPad mini, iPad Air, iPad Pro, and see, will work for all the devices. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here is your contact and an advertise page. On this page, you will get my email, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, I am full-time freelancer as well. And if you will have any kind of project or freelance work, then feel free to contact me anytime. Also, you can hire me on hourly basis as well. On this blog, you will get more things, see guys. Angular e-commerce template as well, all are free of cost. So friends, have you seen just beautiful NFT Angular 18 Plus Marketplace demo? So friends, after it, I will come with more demos as well. And so please subscribe and please support me. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.